This is Dr. Aneil Kkhare, a professional numerologist and Vastu consultant based in Dubai. Our offices are located in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, India, London, and various other parts of the world. If your number chart has the missing number 3, Jupiter, the counselor, it means lack of creativity, communication issues, tendency to argue frequently, or trouble in education. Remedies for missing number 3 in numerology. Strengthen Jupiter energy means offer prayer or light a lamp for Lord Jupiter on Thursday to enhance wisdom and abundance. Wear yellow. Incorporate yellow clothing and accessories into your wardrobe to align with Jupiter's energy. Consume yellow food, including foods like turmeric, bananas, and yellow lentils in your diet to balance Jupiter's energy. Expand knowledge. Read books, pursue higher learning, or enroll in courses to strengthen your intellect and wisdom. Engage in creativity activities. Take up hobbies like painting, writing, or singing to express and cultivate your creativity. Practice generosity. Donate to charities or help others selflessly, as Jupiter represents generosity and kindness. Activate the northeast direction. Keep the northeast area of your home or office clean and well lit to enhance spiritual and intellectual growth. Adopt affirmation. Use affirmation like I am creative, wise, optimistic daily to invite the energy of number 3 into your life. If your numero chart has a missing number 4 in Rahu, the daredevil, it means lack of organizational skills, lack of management, procrastination, delayed results in life. Remedies for missing number 4 in numerology. Declutter and organize. Keep your surroundings tidy and well organized to cultivate stability and structure in life. Wear gray or blue. Incorporate these colors into your life. Adopt a routine and discipline. Establish a daily routine and stick to it, as number 4 emphasizes order and responsibility. Strengthen the southwest direction. Keep the southwest area of your home or office clean and clutter free to enhance stability and security. Perform grounding practices. Spend time in nature, walk barefoot on grass, or engage in grounding exercises to stabilize your energy. Focus on practical goals. Set realistic and achievable goals to develop a sense of responsibility and accomplishment. Avoid impulsiveness. Practice patience and thoughtful decision making to counteract the lack of number 4's grounding energy. Adopt affirmation. Repeat affirmation like I am stable, organized, and disciplined daily to integrate the energy of number 4 into your life.